Hi friends, last time we have seen the roots of quadratic equation and I have asked you to solve practice set 2.1 as a homework. Hope you all would have done the homework. Today we will see solutions of a quadratic equation by factorization. See, by substituting the arbitrary values for the variable and deciding the roots of quadratic equation is a time consuming process. So it is little bit hard. So instead of that, today we will see how to find the roots of quadratic equation by using the factorization method. For example, look in the textbook, x square minus 4x minus 5 is equal to x minus 5 multiplied by x plus 1. Here x minus 5 and x plus 1 are two linear factors of quadratic polynomial x square minus 4x minus 5. So the quadratic equation obtained from x square minus 4x minus 5 can be written as x minus 5 multiplied by x plus 1 is equal to 0. And if the product of two numbers is 0, then out of the two numbers, one must be 0. Then and then only the product will be 0. See here, x minus 5 multiplied by x plus 1 is equal to 0. The product of these x minus 5 and x plus 1 is 0. That means either x minus 5 is 0 or x plus 1 is 0. So we will solve that x minus 1, x minus 5 is equal to 0 or x plus 1 is equal to 0. So by transforming 5 on the RHS, we get x is equal to 5, and by transforming plus 1 to RHS, we get x is equal to minus 1. So here 5 and minus 1 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. While solving the equation, first we obtain the linear factors. So we call this method as a factorization method. For that, we will see another example in your textbook, page number 35. Some solved examples are there. From that, we will take first one. M square minus 14m plus 13 is equal to 0. Now here we have to write m square minus 13m minus m plus 13 is equal to 0. Here what we are doing, we are splitting just 14 into 13 and 1. Their addition should be middle term and multiplication should be the constant, that is last term. So 13 ones are 13 and 13 plus 1 is 14. Here m square minus 13m and minus m plus 13 is equal to 0. We will take m common from the first two terms and it will become m in the bracket m minus 13, and here minus 1 as a common, then minus 1 in the bracket m minus 13. In the first step it was 13 plus 13. As we have taken minus 1 as a common, then this will become minus 13 because the product will become plus 13. So m minus 13 and m minus 1 is equal to 0. The product will be 0. We have taken common. M minus 13, m minus 13 we have taken once here, and remaining m minus 1 in the next bracket. So m minus 13 is equal to 0 or m minus 1 is equal to 0. So therefore by transforming this minus 13 on RHS, we get m is equal to 13. And or here m minus 1 is equal to 0. By transforming minus 1 to RHS, we get m is equal to 1. Therefore, here m is equal to 13 or m is equal to 1. These m is equal to 13 or m is equal to 1 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Hope you have understood this example. You just write in your notebook the solved examples on page number 35 as well as on page number 36, and try to solve the practice set 2.2. On the next lecture, we will see solution of quadratic equation by completing the square. Homework for today will be practice set 2.2. You have to complete it in your notebook.